Quiet on the set. Cameras rolling.
He did it again. He did
Every time, motherfucker.
What the hell's wrong with you?
I like my voice.
Something wrong with him. Something wrong with him.
This episode of the Preview Rewind.
We got it. He got it right. I'm so
I
proud
can
of you.
occasionally do things correctly.
Well,
Not often.
except for when he tries to talk about procrastination, our podcast, which he frequently renames with words that make zero sense.
Purple.
Yes, purple.
Pedantic.
He always goes to pedantic.
Perpendicular.
Yes. Your alliteration is amazing.
Pudgy.
Wow, that's a new one.
It's a pudgy podcast.
But we are doing the
About pugs.
Preview Rewind for you. This time we are watching Oscar-nominated Lady Bird.
Best Picture nominee 2017, Lady Bird. It's about Lady Bird Johnson dying and her soul getting cast into the dog.
Doesn't know anything about this at all.
Her soul is cast into the dog on King of the Hill.
Well, that's what I was going to say. I thought it was about the King of the Hill dog.
Lady Bird.
But I guess probably we should watch it, and then we'll make our judgment calls as we watch with you.
That or I'll make
Join
it
us.
up as we go along. Rolling.
I hate California.
I hate California too.
I want to go where culture is, like
How
New
in the world
York,
did I raise such a
or at least
snob?
Connecticut or New Hampshire.
Oh,
where
it's.
writers live in
I
the
can't ever
woods.
think of her name. She was on Roseanne, though. She's
Oh,
fantastic.
yeah, it's Roseanne's sister.
She was on Scream too.
City
Yep.
college and then to jail and then back to city college and then maybe you'd learn to pull yourself up and not expect
pull me
everybody
up.
to do everything.
Holy
Holy crap, she just dove out of that car.
Is that your given name?
Yeah.
Why is it in quotes?
I gave it to myself. It's given to me by me.
Lady Bird always
God,
says
I'm
That's
going to start
amazing.
giving people names.
but I always thought
Yes.
that there was like a
I
method.
give you the name
But there are
Big Johnson,
actual
Your name
things
is
that-
Schmegma.
but it is definitely
She was
not
very baller.
legitimate.
Very anarchist.
Put the magazine back!
She works in a grocery store. It's another period piece. It looks like it's probably in the 80s.
I think so.
And warm.
I think you can. Your mom is.
Well, that or it's very current because it's all come back.
Well, that's true. Cyclical.
Do you see him wearing
No,
joggers?
I want
No,
schools
nobody's
That's
got
a
on
sure
an
way to
Apple
see.
Watch.
Not Yale because I probably couldn't get in.
Yale. I'm not going to Yale.
couldn't get in.
That's
That was
awesome.
great.
If you're tired, we can sit down.
I'm not tired.
Thrift Town.
Your feet.
You are so infuriating.
Please stop yelling.
I'm not yelling. Oh, it's perfect.
Do you love it?
You both have such.
Wow. So they can't get
That's
along.
pretty good, yeah.
It's a cutesy little mom and
Written by
daughter
Greta
flick.
Gerwig.
When is a normal time to
She looked
have
like she was
sex?
being taken over by Venom. Oops.
Kind of looks like a teen angst movie.
You're gonna have so much unspecial sex in your life.
That's fantastic.
That's the truth.
That we will never escape our past.
Whatever we give
She's
you,
Catholic?
it's never enough. It's
Having
never
unspecial
enough.
sex.
Special sex.
We're afraid of what the future will bring. We're afraid.
Then
we
Hank
won't
Hill
be
shows up.
loved.
You can't do
Lady Bird.
anything unless you're
That's who she marries at the end of this movie.
We
It's
won't
Hank
be
Hill.
liked.
Yeah, well, you know your mom's tits. They're totally
Bobby,
fake.
damn it.
She made one
Mike
bad
Judge
decision
should have made an
in
appearance in
19,
this.
Two bad decisions.
And we won't succeed.
I want you to be the very
Not
best
Roseanne.
version of yourself that you can be.
It actually looks pretty good.
It does, yeah. Definitely not one I would have seen in the
This is the
theater
best
unless I had
No.
Movie Pass. And if Movie Pass wants to give me a Movie Pass, I will use the
I'm
shit
fine
out of
with
that thing.
Yeah. We can find reasons to go to the movie theater.
Math Olympiad
But math isn't something you're terribly strong in.
that we know of yet.
Sweet.
I wish
Laurie
Laurie
Metcalf.
I wish I had that line when I was in school.
Yes, I
it's
do
not
as
something
well.
you're good at, not that we know of yet.
Yeah. Well, that is maybe one of the better comebacks that I've heard in a long
Yeah.
time. That's original that I haven't heard before.
No, for sure. I'm sold. That's one that I want to watch now.
I really, yeah, I do.
We
I
didn't
like,
make fun of that one the whole way through.
No, we did not. I like the fact that the main girl in it, whose name just popped up on the screen a minute ago, and I can't remember now,
Laurie Metcalf.
daughter, the daughter in the movie renamed herself Lady Bird and then explained it as the fact that she wanted to name herself that and then
yeah,
did.
and then
so
did.
everyone will deal with it.
I think that everybody should do that. So I'm encouraging all of our listeners to rename yourselves.
Can I
Don't go to the courts. Just start going by that name
gonna
because
rename-
anything you sign is invalid,
I'm gonna rename
including
myself.
your taxes.
My name is Petey, and I have gigantic balls.
That's a really long name to have to write. My name is Petey and I have gigantic balls.
That's just my middle name.
and your last name.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that's just my middle name.
Sure. Maybe that
Daniel.
could be your last name.
Daniel, my name is Petey. I have gigantic balls.
Daniel, my name is Petey, I have, and your last name is
Gigantic balls. Perfect. I love it. Yeah, because that has to do with Lady Bird.
Large hyphenated balls.
Because we've drifted again. That was an American Pie reference to American Pie 2. If you haven't seen that, go watch the trailer.
we may have to do the trailer for all those.
Yeah.
I think after we work our way through the Oscar nods, we're going to go to sets of movies.
Yes.
Because that'll be entertaining.
Yeah. Because you care about that. But you will.
And you'll laugh.
That's right.
You'll laugh.
You will laugh. And it's all been brought to you by thisgeeksworld.com.
Leave us comments below. Call us 865-26-GEEK2. 2 rhinoceri.
Oh, God. I'm going to stop him now. See you next time.